Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, to be honest, not too much of an exciting day here today. Just wanted to explain a little bit the subwave structures here within this wave 2. We continue to have the possibility that we are now in a smaller 1-2 setup and could rally in a third wave, or if we lose key support in the orange support box, we will morph back into the yellow box. So it's basically morphing into an alternative scenario with a deeper wave 2. That's why we've got the alternative wave 2 here. Price action currently still looks corrective. Ethereum yesterday rallied only in 3 waves. Did talk about that already in the previous video. We didn't get 5, so a deeper pullback is at least likely. We cannot rule it out. If we had we had 5 waves up, which obviously we didn't, then the probabilities of a higher low would be increased, right? But obviously we didn't get a higher low. It's not finished yet, but we didn't get 5 waves, so we only got 3. Few people ask me, is the wave 2 over or not? Yeah, I don't know. We don't know. We will only know afterwards. But what we can recognize at the moment is that this is still corrective price action. So the risk of another low is certainly there. I did post it on Telegram and Discord earlier. I just read it out because it basically is a great summary of what's happening here. So I said that both BTC and ETH seem to be in a small correction. For Ethereum 1470, which is down here, the 78.6 retrace of the lower box are deep support levels. Okay, yeah, 1470 for ETH is deep support level, but when corrections start, there is no way of telling if they're going to subdivide deeply or remain shallow. A reasonable approach is to leave cash for lower if concerned about a deep pullback, but it's possible that a wave 2 is shallow. Yeah. The last few have been like that. So we always need to be aware. It is in, or it already came into the support area. And I tend to like the idea of scaling in, but this is only me. I mean, everybody's got their own approach. We certainly have a very well-defined support area. We've got 2 actually. But then again, that's what I mean with a reasonable approach is to leave money for lower if one expects a deeper pullback. Well, obviously we never know if we get that deeper pullback. It's certainly possible. I think that is certainly reasonable to assume. It is certainly a possibility and a likely one. Otherwise, I wouldn't show you the wave count. I would never show you unlikely wave counts. They're all likely if I show them to you. And we've got the 2 scenarios, as explained earlier, of either having here a 1-2 setup with a direct escalation possible, but it failed to rally in 3 waves. Or we've got the scenario where this was a wave 1, and then here, no, 1 second, not that. Oops, need to switch off Discord. Where all of this was a wave 1, and then here's something like an A, B, C or something, and come down deeper. There are different possibilities. A few people ask me, how can you actually label this as an ABC? Well, there are a few possibilities. Just to show you really what's possible. I don't normally want to, put too much emphasis on the subwave structures here, but some people are interested, obviously, which is great, because especially when there's not too much going on, we can always combine it with a bit of an education class here. So I did already label here this ABC, so that shows obviously this is a valid count, so it's possible that this move down is finished in a wave 2. However, the C wave was very short. Not invalid, but short. So it is absolutely still possible, also given the lack of impulsive price action to the upside. Yeah, we don't get 5 waves so far. That this ABC was just part of a larger A wave. This here was a high B wave in a flat pattern. We're coming down in a C wave. And then it depends on how low we go to determine in which of these overall scenarios we are that I just showed you. Yeah, so the ABC could have just been a larger A wave, then the 3 waves in a B wave, and now maybe the 1-2, and this could be the 3rd wave down in a C wave. So it could very well be that the wave 2 will finish here. It is, I could put it here, I can put it here, so that's why I put alternative 2 here. It's just unclear at this stage, but what I can tell you, we haven't broken out, and to confirm that we are in a 3rd wave, I want to see an impulsive rally above 1860, the B wave high. And that's really it at the moment. Cannot really rule out we come down lower. In fact, I would rather expect it, because so far we have failed to rally in 5 waves. But yeah, not much more going on. It's just range bound at the moment. We need that break above the B wave to indicate that this wave 2 was or is over. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.